Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025 and need to transfer your XDC tokens from Phantom Wallet to Kraken, you're in the right spot. This is a simple process, but it's crucial to get it right to avoid any headaches. By the end of this video, you'll have your XDC safely on Kraken, ready for trading or staking. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Phantom Wallet and a Kraken account set up. Phantom is a popular wallet for managing crypto like XDC, and Kraken is a secure exchange. Start by opening your Phantom Wallet app on your mobile or desktop. Ensure you're connected to the correct network, XDC network, for seamless transfers. Next, locate your XDC balance in Phantom. Tap on the XDC token in your wallet dashboard. Now, hit the Send or Transfer button. This is where you'll enter the details for Kraken. Before you do that, hop over to your Kraken account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select XDC. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's case sensitive. Back in Phantom, paste that Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll see a confirmation on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes. Now, switch back to Kraken and refresh your deposit history. Your XDC should appear shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just give it some time and check for any network fees or delays. And remember, always transfer a small test amount first if you're new to this. There you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Phantom to Kraken in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, but stay cautious with your assets. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.